order to sign up for your Ready to Fight, there are two platforms that you need to sign up on. One of them is Zealy, which is this one. Okay, so you need to sign up both on Zealy, and then you need to sign up on the Ready to Fight itself, both of them. So you will be performing tasks on these two platforms, and they are kind of linked because the same email that you sign up on Ready to Fight should be the same email you use to sign up on Zealy. Now the importance is when you do activities on both these platforms, that's the Ready to Fight app and then also on the Zealy, you get what we call XP, experience points. Now it is the accumulation of all these points that will determine how much of the airdrop you are going to get. So it's very important to participate on both. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Ready to Fight app and start doing the tasks there. Airdrops are determined, you claiming them are determined by you performing tasks on the platform. Some of the tasks may include promoting content on your social media from the platform. That's you maybe tweeting or commenting, liking the posts of the platform on your social media. And then another one is through performing testnet tasks. Now, testnet tasks are tasks that you perform when to help the platform to check out their testnet before they go on mainnet. So if they are creating their own products on the blockchain or their own blockchain, they would want participants to try out that blockchain on the testnet so that they can discover any bugs or any irregularities in order to correct them before they launch on the mainnet, so that there won't be any errors. Because once a project launches on the blockchain on their mainnet and there are errors or mistakes, even they themselves cannot correct it. They will have to maybe do a new blockchain or a new project on the blockchain to correct the mistakes. So in order to avoid such grievous errors, they make participants to try out their testnet so that they can correct any mistakes or errors before they go live on the mainnet. So this Ready to Fight has a combination of tasks for you to promote their social media, because they have their own social media right there on the app, and for you to engage in their community, and then also for you to do transactions on their testnet. So I'm going to be showing you how to do all this. Very, very important. So take your time and do them, because if you don't do them, you are not going to get the airdrops. So now that we are here, what you do is when you launch the link for the registration, you go ahead and start. So you go ahead and do the registration. Then you create your password, then you sign and you register. Okay, so they'll be sending this code to your email. Once you get it, you put it in here and you're good to go. So I've gotten it from my email. I long press and I paste. It's saying that the code is expired, but it's actually logged me in. So sometimes you may get that error message, but if you're still within time, it will still log you in. So instead of, I prefer to go and download the app. Now that you're here, you're supposed to edit your profile and everything, but it is easier to do this on the app. So you scroll down from here and go to the app section, or if you've already done this part, just go to the app and look for Ready to Fight app and download it. So I'll just click on my Google here. If you're using iOS, click on the iOS button. So I already have it installed on my phone. So I'll go up ahead to open it. But if it's not installed, it will ask you to install it. So you click on it and open the app. Okay, so now that it is open, you go ahead and sign in. So I will say registration by email. So I'll click on that. Then I will put in my information. Okay, no, I've already done this on the website, so I don't need to do this now. What I need to do now is to sign in. Okay, so I'll go ahead and sign in. Then I'll put in my login details. Okay, and then I'll put in my password. So I'll put in my password and then I'll click sign in. Okay, so use biometrics the next time you sign in. I will say yes, I like to use my biometrics instead of the password. Okay, so you can have that set. Right, so you are there now. Ideally, now that you're here, this place, RT Hub, that is where you're supposed to do the tasks, but you need to set up your profile. If not, it will not allow you. If you go ahead and click on the RT Hub, it's going to tell you that this place is for fans. So you need to, you have restricted access, so you need to complete your onboarding. So I can either click on this onboarding or I go here. Once I go here, I will just input my details, and so let me just go here. Then you'll see how what details. Okay, so choose your way. Okay, now I will click on choose my way. Am I a boxer? Am I an agent? You can see all these things. These are for professionals. On this app, you can get job opportunities if you have any of these skills. If you're a sports doctor, nutritionist, psychologist, so you can put it. But if you are not a professional that can provide your services to the wrestling world, to the boxing world, you just come and click on here, fan. You're a fan, okay? So you click fan and then next. Okay, then you go ahead and choose whether you're a man or woman. I'm a woman. I put the name. Okay, so okay, and then date of birth. So date of birth, you scroll and you put in that you set it and you're good to go. And please don't put fake information, because if you do, you are going to there's a place where you need to do KYC verification, and you'll be using your voter's card or your driver's license. They prefer, or your national international passport, so they need the information that you're providing here to be the same with the one on your ID for your KYC. In fact, that KYC has one of the largest XP, so which will help you to be able to interact with their centralized exchange. So you will need to do that eventually as part of your tasks. So you go ahead and upload your profile photo. So I'm going to do that from the gallery. Okay, so I've chosen the photo, so I'll just set it and crop it, and I'm good to go. Yeah, so you need to have all this with the photo so that this place can come alive for you to be able to move to the next stage. So now that you have done this, next thing you will need to do is to go ahead and create your wallet. Very important step right here, because this is where you perform the tasks for on the test net. Okay, so if I click on it, yeah, it will ask me all this by signing in, blah 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 blah. You go ahead, so it's going to create, yeah, my web2 wallet. Now I need to create my web3 wallet right here. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on web3. Very important. And then I will say create wallet. Now, okay, so I will put in my I'll create the 12, I mean the um the 6 pin, the 6-letter pin. I'll just go ahead and create. So I have done the pin code confirmation. Now this part is where I will back up my security phrase. Very important. So I wouldn't want to reveal this. So this part right here where they say reveal, when you click on it, it is going to show you your 12 seed phrase. Very important. Without this 12 seed phrase, you cannot access this wallet. So it is very important for you to keep this seed phrase very, very safe. Write it down in a place where you write important things, where your children will not have access to it now and play with it and tear it or throw it away. Because if you lose your phone or you change a new phone, or even if you log out of this app and you want to sign back into this app, you will need those 12 words to activate your Web3 wallet. If not, you will lose any funds that are going to be put in there. And that is where you will even be receiving your airdrop for all the tasks you'll be performing on this platform. So if you don't keep it safe, you will lose everything. Okay, so you go ahead and click on reveal and then copy those 12 words and keep them very, very safe. On this step, you have to choose each word. Just follow it the way it was in the first place, where that's in the last page we just left. The way it was there, you click on them one by one and arrange them in the order in which they first appeared there. So I'm going to do that right now. So it will still ask you if you want to activate your biometric, which I like to do. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay. So you click continue and you're good to go. So your wallet is ready, your Web3 wallet.